Hello, my name is Evelyn, and I'm making. It's very soft and fluffy. Chocolate chiffon cake today with my auntie. We went to a department store inside the boat to get something really special.
Why are you moving?
Let's go inside.
It's a cake stand. Get it then. 我哋做個 angel cake 啊。We use this cake stand.
Are you ready, guys? Here are the ingredients.
Okay, let's move everything to the side. We need to separate the egg whites and the egg yolks.
So, do we need 2 bowls?
Yes, one for the egg whites.
And the other for the egg yolk. But how do we separate it, Guze?
Watch and learn. Stand the egg up and pull the top apart.
I'll give it a try.
Okay, pull it apart. Pull it apart. Good job. Everything. Yep. And then let it drip and then put it here. We got one.
Yay!
In a clean bowl, mix flour, baking powder, and cocoa powder. Next, add half of the sugar to the egg yolks. Combine oil, milk, and vanilla extract. And beat it until it turns pale yellow. With a sieve, combine the chocolate mixture and the egg yolk mixture. There's no sugar in there, so it's not sweet. Uh-oh!
That was close.
This is an egg beater. Are you ready? I'm turning it on.
So make sure you put this inside the egg white before you turn it on. Okay? Can you hold it? Hold it. Hold it tight. Yeah. Got it? You scared?
Can you do it?
Well then, help me add the sugar. It's loud, isn't it? But trust me, you can do this.
Look, it spins. Beat until it stands up.
Let's do this last step together. I'll scoop it over,
And I'll mix it.
fold it in gently, okay?
Mix, mix, mix.
Wow, that's pretty full.
It's fluffy, isn't it?
Yeah, this looks like a cloud.
It
A
does.
brown cloud.
Okay, softly. I think this bowl is getting too small. Let's put it in here.
Wow. That's this.
What does it look like?
A poop.
What does it look like?
A poop.
Alright, let's pour this chocolate cloud mixture into the pan.
It's ready for the oven. Rapunzel, and there is Rapunzel, and Ariel, and Snow White, and Sleeping Beauty, and she's called Aurora, and Cinderella, and Belle, and Jasmine. Let's put the cake stand together. It's like a puzzle. Thank you for watching. Did you subscribe yet? Remember, there's bloopers at the end.
Almost done.
Yeah, I only have two.
Okay, stand it up. Yep, pull it apart. Oh, don't worry. You got it? Did it break? Oh, this one is broken. Okay, put the yolk in there.
Wow, I'm good. Good. Can I taste a bit?
You want to taste?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
It's a little bit salty.
Salty? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let me taste.
Just taste. Oh. Good. Look what I made.
Yay. What is that? What are you eating? Okay, 1 second.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe
Like our video.
and leave us a comment.
Let us know what you want to see us make next.